Today we're going to take a look at a Precision Essentials kit that Deere has to offer. We're going to dive into what's included, who it's for, and why you should purchase one. In our Precision Essentials kit, we have the brand new G5 display from John Deere. The G5 display in an Essentials kit comes in two sizes: the large display that you can see here, and what they call a universal, which is slightly smaller than this display here. The next piece of our Essentials kit is a StarFire 7500, which provides the latest positioning technology available from Deere. The StarFire 7500 has SF1 and SF-RTK, which is incredible technology that Deere now has to offer, offering the ability to use satellites in the sky for your real-time positioning versus the base station RTK we've known in the past. The next thing that comes in the Precision Essentials kit is a modem. The modem you get is specific to your operation and your needs, and we're going to go through those right now. The M modem is perfect for older model John Deere tractors, such as a SoundGuard cab, or any other brand of tractor that has Deere technology inside of it. Our next modem is our R modem, which is perfect for late model tractors and any machine that you're looking to machine sync in. Ultimately, this Precision Essentials kit is for anyone who's looking to either upgrade their existing technology or get into new and updated technology. If you have further questions, please reach out to your local Precision Ag specialist or your local salesman.